Yeah. Can you get all three?
Yeah.
Well, hi, Winky.
Here, should we go in the snow?
Let's go in the snow.
Put the snowbank behind them. That'll be
Yeah,
cuter.
that'll be cute. I gave Franz an early Christmas present, by the way.
Oh, sex?
No! Sex? Look at Franz's
Well,
hair.
that's all going to be on YouTube, what you say now. So.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
they're ready.
Okay, Winks, look at the camera.
Sit. Stay.
Sit.
Hey, it's
Sit.
no pictures, huh?
Right, Winks, sit.
Stay.
Can you get a picture, Franz?
No, I'm doing. I'm
here.
recording this.
Oh, you're recording.
Angela wants to see the snow around.
Yeah,
the
Angela
house.
wants to see the snow. Okay, send it off. We're on a walk. We have to warm up.
I need my mittens. Oh, thank you.
Ready? Oh, you need your mittens? Franz, no, don't show me. I don't have any makeup on or nothing. Hi, Angela. I'll say hi. Okay, let's
I'll
say
send
hi.
it. I'll send it to Angela.
Right.
Hi, Angela.
Hi,
Angela from Fun in Europe. From snowy Minnesota. It's cold here. Yeah, they got snow today too.
Look at Reggie. He doesn't want to go. It's too cold out.
Oh, no. Look at Reggie. Look at, get that front. Look at Reggie.
Yeah, I got it.
Come on, Reg. Oh, he's already got his back foot up.
What does that mean?
Like he's freezing.
Look at him. Look at him, friends.
Yeah.
He is hilarious.
He is so bad.
He naughty. Lola, she's ready to go in that big bulky sweater she's got.
We'll see if Angela likes this. I'll send it to her.
Okay, bye, honey.